problem. Daily Forex, this is Chris. Taking a look at Bitcoin. You can see we did fall about 4% for the day. Your 18,000 level offering resistance. So we broke through the support level. I guess you could draw a support line here. I wouldn't put too much into it. 16,340, I guess it's kind of what we're fighting with. We're going lower. At this point, with the FTX blow up and everything else is surrounding crypto, I don't see why we don't get back down to 12,000. We might even go lower than that. Quite frankly, this is a technology that just isn't being used. If you go on Twitter, everybody talks about hope and, they love each other and the religion of Bitcoin. But the reality is it's a risk asset. It's an extraordinarily risky asset. And as a result, people don't want to take those types of risks with their money. And people that matter, people that have large amounts of money in the market are not throwing it at crypto. I think we're about to see crypto get washed out in a huge way. Now, will Bitcoin survive? I do believe it will. That's not the question. But there's a lot of crypto that's going to disappear over the next, say, year or so. Crypto's probably going to enter, or Bitcoin, I should say, is probably going to enter something like this before it's all said and done. And that would make a certain amount of sense. Actually, in a roundabout way, this kind of looks like the silver chart going back decades. It's just kind of nothing spike in the 70s for the Hunt brothers, pullback spike. I think that was around the great financial crisis. And then you slam back down. Until Bitcoin finds a use in the real world, and, the biggest problem they're going to have is central bank digital currencies are coming. And as much as I hate the idea of those things, that's what your Aunt Millie's going to be using. So I don't know. I don't know what causes Bitcoin to rally. From a technical standpoint, I would say we're going to at least 12,000.